You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these French name. If you want to learn more confusing names and French names in particular, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. We've got tons coming up. You can skip to the end of the video for more. So let's go to the French pronunciation first. Romain. Romain is how it is pronounced in France. Alright, so you've got this very specific, it's very French un sound. It's not that the N is silent, it's just that A-I-N together form this un sound. Romain, often the most common pronunciation in English, because this sound doesn't exist in English, is as Romain. Romain or Romain, if you can pronounce that. Romain would be a really good pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.